It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 25th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather mostly dry today, another mild afternoon. Rain returns tonight, tomorrow, maybe a few strong storms for the northwestern corner of the state. And the weekend will be the warmest one we have experienced so far this year. Here we go. There's the upper air look across the country today. And once again, we have a zonal flow. And there is a surface boundary approaching from the north. We'll check the radar. That was this morning at 4:52. Really nothing showing up now. We did have a few sprinkles after midnight last night, but those have pretty much dissipated much of the day today. In fact, most places will see no rain at all today. Temperatures are all over the board this morning. We have 45 for Gadsden, Birmingham at 56. Highs today, upper 60s, low 70s in most spots. There's the watch warning map across the country. Got some scattered winter weather issues back in the northwestern states. We note a dense fog advisory for Mobile and Baldwin counties. In South Alabama, that fog should dissipate by mid-morning. A marginal risk of severe storms, roughly along Interstate 20 today. Dallas-Fort Worth over toward Jackson, Mississippi, along a surface boundary. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of the Mid-South, including the northwestern corner of Alabama. This would include the Shoals, Athens, Decatur, Hamilton, Huntsville. And a few storms up there might produce gusty winds or small hail. The southern part of the state will be dry tomorrow. And then day 3, which is Saturday, there could be some thunder from Texas to the middle Atlantic coast, but no severe weather expected. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the heavier totals across the country for the Mid-South. In Alabama, a gradient. You got 4 inches for the Tennessee Valley between now and Thursday morning of next week, but you go down to Mobile and Dothan, Andalusia. Amounts there should be under 1/4 inch. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 3. Again, a zonal flow. And a quiet day today. We'll say a mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs between 68 and 72 for most spots. But tomorrow, the surface boundary drops in with a little wave on the front, producing rain from pretty much the northern half of the state. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, and you can see South Alabama looking dry, North Alabama looking wet. At noon, the bulk of the showers tomorrow should be north of Interstate 20, and then by 6 o'clock, the showers really along and north of the Tennessee River, near the Tennessee state line. Tomorrow should be a mostly cloudy day with a high in the low and mid-60s for most spots, maybe 50s up there near the Tennessee state line. So what about the weekend? The one thing we can promise is going to be very mild. In fact, I wouldn't be shocked if we had a few folks flirting with 80 over central and south Alabama. This is Saturday. The sky will be mostly cloudy. And again, we have the chance of a few scattered showers, but probably not many. Here's the high-res NAM at noon, showing really nothing. And the high Saturday, 75 to 80. And this is Sunday. The really widespread heavy rain should be just north of here. Tennessee, Arkansas, north of the front. For Alabama, warm. A lot of clouds around. There could be a shower, but just, again, widely scattered. So really, I think a decent part of the weekend dry. Just a few showers Saturday and Sunday. And again, high Sunday between 75 and 80. Monday, the front gets a nudge southward. Cloudy, and again, the chance of showers. Highs dropping back in the 60s on Monday, maybe 50s up near the Tennessee state line. This is Tuesday, and the front's going to meander back and forth next week. And again, I think most days we'll have a chance of showers. Now, this is Tuesday off the European. It's got a different look. It's got a surface low that's north of Memphis, and it does suggest we'll have surface-based instability. So the question is, could we see maybe strong to severe storms on Tuesday of next week? Just something to watch for. A little too early to call right now. And then Wednesday, we'll go back to the GFS. It's got a totally dry look, but the European says, nah, it's going to be wet at times. With a chance of showers, we'll maintain that in our forecast. And this is a week from today, Thursday, March 4th, the GFS with a northwest flow aloft and a dry air mass. But again, the European suggests a chance of showers, and that's the way we'll play the forecast. So basically, there will be some risk of showers every day next week. And again, maybe some strong storms on Tuesday. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, March the 6th. And again, this is the GFS with a northwest flow and a dry air mass if this verifies. But again, confidence in that solution is low. We'll check rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 4 inches. And again, some of the members are up there toward 8 inches between now and the 11th of March. And temperatures, no cold air in sight. National blend of models, mid-70s for the weekend, 60s next week, lows well above freezing. And the CPC outlook, this is for March 4th through March 10th. And once again, the east and the south with temperatures above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.